important thing to note, a couple things. Number one, this oil cooler is the cooler, it has like at least 50,000 miles on it. I don't remember if I used it on a bike before the 14, but this is the cooler that came off of the 2014. There is no in and out on the oil cooler. So it doesn't matter which nipple you put it on the bottom of the oil cooler. It can go either way. So the way that we have the oil routing, we have it coming out of the engine at its hottest, coming back to the oil filter. So it's going through the oil filter at its hottest. It's getting filtered through the oil filter, cooling down because it's out in the wind. It has that hose. And then from the oil filter, it's going to go back to the oil cooler and go through the oil cooler, and then from the oil cooler back into the engine.